Welcome. In today's video, we will explore how AI is transforming lead generation and why it matters for your business in 2025. Automated lead generation is crucial for efficiency and growth. In 2025, businesses need to adapt to remain competitive. AI tools can identify and target your ideal customers by analyzing vast datasets, leading to more effective marketing strategies. Integrating AI into your marketing approach enhances your existing strategies, making them more data-driven and customer-focused. Let's look at some case studies that highlight businesses successfully leveraging AI for lead generation. Choosing the right AI tools is vital. Evaluate your specific needs and goals to make the best decision. AI helps create a seamless customer journey, improving engagement and satisfaction throughout the sales process. To measure success, track metrics like conversion rates, lead quality, and ROI to refine your strategies. Looking ahead, AI will continue to evolve, bringing even more advanced solutions for lead generation. Embrace AI for your business growth journey. The future is bright for those ready to adapt and leverage technology.